Hello. Hello. Okay, so we got this laptop. Model number. Let's get what model number is this? Model number 14 DQ5043cl. Okay, so that is the model number, and apparently it doesn't have the screen is broken. The screen is broken, as you can see it right there. See, it's broken. So we're gonna replace the screen. But because this screen has like some type of adhesive or glue the bezel around, um, I need to disconnect the battery. But the battery is inside, so I had to remove the bottom cover. Okay, so let's remove those. Let's remove the bottom cover first. I recommend doing that. I know people normally, some people won't do it. I will do it because this computer is not mine. I mean, and what is the risk that something go wrong? Uh, sorry. Okay. What here? Okay. So first thing, we need to remove all the screws on the bottom. And for that, so we have a screw here. And I'm removing the adhesive on the screw. We're gonna do it this way. Okay, just like that. Now it's off. All right, so let's keep those. Now let's remove this one here. Okay, so this one is gray. The screw is gray. This one in the corner, this corner is black. Make sure don't miss much. And there should be one. Let's keep it out. Should have another one here. Right here. There is three. Okay, so there's three screws right here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So same size, all of them, except the corner and this corner. They are black color and they are a little bit more thicker. Okay, that's how this computer is. Oh, now these two are um, little ones. This one and this one. These two screws are little ones. Okay. Now, now how are we going to remove this bottom cover? To do that, we're going to do this. Why are we doing this if we're replacing the battery? Because just because I'm so we want to disconnect the battery. Okay, so here, let me get this one here. So I'm putting my nail here, and then I use one of these things, plastics, and just let's, as you can see, uh, the computer is on. You see, exactly that. That's why we need to, before we replace the screen, we had to open it up and disconnect the battery because you don't want to connect the screen even if it's off. The cables, when you connect and disconnect when you disconnect uh, the old screen and connect the new one, there is 19 volts on that. Okay, and for some reason, your Uh, for any reason, by mistake, you connect the, connector halfway in the wrong way, touch ground or something, it will kill the motherboard, the computer. It will kill the computer, basically. Okay. So that's why I'm doing this, because I don't want to risk kill this. It happened before. You want the truth? You don't want the truth? It happened before. Yes, it happened before. Okay, and it's not good because you have to pay if it's not yours. No, you don't have to. So yes, you will have to pay. Okay. Let's turn it off. It should be off. Right now, this gonna take this out. Back. I mean, it's gonna clean according to the customer. According to the customer, it was kind of new when somebody stopped on it and broke the screen. Okay, so this is the battery here. Um, here is the battery, and has an SSD, which is good. SSD hard drive has a RAM. It has an option for another upgrade on RAM, so it's okay. Right, so we're going to remove this battery here like this. Let's put this goes here. Uh, because this battery is not like has a cable to unplug. It's just the whole thing. So once we remove the screws, we just can take it out like this. All right, so now there is no bolts or current on the motherboard. Now we can go, we just connect this thing here just to protect the circuits in the bottom. And now let's get focused on the screen. All right, now let's get focused on the screen. So for this screen, so the screen is not good. We're going to replace it. Uh, so I know it has adhesive, some glue, and because we don't, I'm gonna use this. It's gonna, let me find a way. So right there, So I'm doing this because we don't care about the screen, because the screen in the bottom is getting, uh, you see, the screen gonna getting damaged, but we don't care. The screen is broken anyways. We don't want to break the bezel. That's now here on the camera. I need to go be careful. Okay, so see like that. Okay, gently here. You feel a little bit resistance. Okay, perfect. Now let's do it this way. Just a little bit, okay? See, you help a little bit by, sorry, okay. Let me put it this way. All right, so because we disconnect the battery, so I'm free to do uh, and not be worried about short with the thing, okay? So that's why I disconnect the battery, okay? Especially on this part. Uh, Here on the screens, they have like their own logic board where all the current is and the signals and everything. So if, for example, this is metal, if I don't disconnect the battery, will be in a risk of shorting the board. And that will cause like um might kill the motherboard. We don't want that. Right, so here I need some kind of a little bit of light here to see. I don't want to damage anything here. So all this is case of some kind of glue. And again, we don't care about this screen. It's getting a lot of it's getting damage. which is okay. Here, okay, here's coming out. So now here, this little, you just press a little bit, the gray one, press a little bit down and then pull it towards you like that. And yep, okay, so just corner, okay, yep, yeah, stop. So yeah, let's open it up a little bit. Let's get it out. Hmm. Okay, so I'm having problem with the actual corner. Is this? Hmm. Nope. There's no screw there. So on the corners, let me get a sponge here. Perfect. Let's try two. Okay. Okay, so okay, perfect. So it's better do it right than fast. Okay. So as you can see, just here, um, here, it was gonna. So this all white is the adhesive. All this, the adhesive. So I'm gonna put adhesive on the screen next time. All right. Um, so I don't know which camera is better. None of those, but here, no, this one first. Okay, I want to show you this. So this screen has glue in the back, right? So it has a strip of glue here. I mean, it's and on this side too, all of the way. And it's kind of tricky. The one thing is, um, you can see here here is the adhesive here, right here. I know I cannot, you cannot see it, but it's here. So you will pick it up, you will pull it up a little bit, get it like this, and pull it. Uh, you have to be very careful, see how I'm doing it, because it can, if it cuts itself, it will be very, very difficult to get it out, to get out of the screen. Oh, you don't want to be there if that happens, you know. So patient, do it slow, careful with your nails. Don't cut it. It will come off. See? This thing. It will come off. Sometimes, for some reason, they cut itself on the middle. Then, ooh, how you gonna get it out? You can't. You can't get through. You can't get through this sides to it. I mean, not necessarily I mean, impossible, but very difficult. Okay, so let's get the other side. Let's get the other side. Um, here. Let me do okay right there. Okay, so let me see if I can. We're lucky on this one too. So like this. So it's coming like that. Three fingers. The other one. This one is kind of strong. But I've been doing some laptops. It's kind of weak and it cuts. And when it cuts itself, it's a pain to get it out, the screen. Perfect. See? This guy. Hey, so we get it out. So now I have the screen here. See? It's gonna bend, right? So we remove the screen, and screen is 14 inch screen, so I won't have it in stock. I will not have it, and that is not good. All right, so you remove this sticker here. So you maybe this way. No, no, we get it this way, like that. Then there is another one here, like that. And so when you do all this, that's especially this, uh, that's how you disconnect. Um, when you do this, that's why you want the battery off. Okay, that's why is when you want the battery off. That's exactly why we disconnect the battery. So another thing is going to be able to read the screen, but it's N140HCA dash EAC. If you really need to know what number is this, but it's a 14-inch screen. I don't have one. I need to order one, and probably will be part two. I'm not sure. But just in case it doesn't, how we gonna put it back in? Well, you need to get some kind of adhesive, some kind of glue or adhesive, um, and this side the same way it was. This one, see? No, this is not reusable. I'm not gonna use it, but we're going to put it here and here, and then the new screen. You connect this to the new screen, put it back, and put the bezel back in, and that's it. But we'll see. Okay, thank you.